Samudragupta. Historian Smith has called him Napoleon of India. Conquered 9 kings in the second campaign of Uttarapath. Conquered 12 kings in the Dakshinapath campaign. Samudragupta only claimed suzerainty over the territories conquered in the Dakshinapath campaign. His policy was that of Grahan or capture of the enemy, moksha or liberation, and anugraha or reinstating him. The praise of Samudragupta on Ashok's Allahabad pillar inscription has been attributed to his court poet Harisena. Ramgupta. History about him is not clear. Chandragupta II. He is also known by other names, titles like Devraj, Devgupta, Devshri, Vikramaditya, Param Bhagavat, etc. He married Dhruv Devi and Kuber Naga. The iron pillar inscription at Maharauli in Delhi describes the victory by the Chandra ruler over the Balikos across the Indus and the Banga rulers in the east. Chandra is identified with Chandragupta II. He married his daughter Prabhavati to the Vakata king Rudrasen II. The Chinese traveler Fahian visited India during his time. He lived in India for about 14 years. It is believed that 9 gems resided in his court, which included scholars like Kalidas, Dhanvantari, Sapnak, Amar Singh, Sanku, Betal Bhatt, Ghatkarpar, Varamihir, Varuruchi, Kumargupta I. Mandsaur inscription Prahasti composed by Vatsa Bhatti gives detailed information about Kumargupta. It is known from the Bhitri pillar inscription of Skandagupta that during the reign of Kumargupta there was an invasion of Pushyamitras, and to stop them Kumargupta sent Skandagupta. Nalanda University was established during this period. Kumargupta assumed the title of Mahindraditya. Skandagupta. Junagadh inscription shows that Skandagupta had thwarted the invasion of the Malech Huns. He got the Sudarshan Lake built by Chandragupta Maurya renovated. According to the Kaham inscription, he assumed the title of Sakaditya. He sent his ambassador to China. Late Gupta period. Chinese traveler Sun Gyun visited India in 515 to 520 AD. Huan Tishang lived in India from 629 AD to 645 AD, 16 years. According to Huan Tishang, the ruler of Magad, Narsimha Gupta Baladitya, defeated Mihirkul, the Huns. After Skandagupta, his successors Purugupta, Kumargupta II, Buddhagupta, Narsimhagupta, Baladitya, Vinyagupta, Kumaragupta III ruled. Vishnugupta was the last ruler of the Gupta dynasty who ruled Magad. The Magad Empire came to an end with the rise of Gupta dynasty. Pal dynasty. Gopal 750 to 770 AD is believed to be the founder of the Pal dynasty. Bihar was included in his kingdom. Gopal founded Odantpuri Mahavihar and University, which were located in Bihar Sharif, Nalanda district. This Mahavihar was situated on the banks of Panchanan river on Hiranyaprabhat mountain. Dharmapal 770 to 810 AD. In this time, the tripartite struggle started. Pratihar king Vatsaraj defeated Dharmapal. Later on, the Rajput king Dhruv defeated both Dharmapal and Vatsaraj. On the return of Dhruv to the south, Dharmapal attacked Kannauj and defeated Indrayudh and placed his supporter Chakrayudh on the throne of Kannauj. At the time of Dharmapal, the Pratihar ruler Nagbhat II, son of Vatsaraj, conquered the area up to Munger for some time. Dharmapal established Vikramshila University and built Buddhist viharas. Vikramshila Mahavihar and University are situated in the Bhagalpur district, about 50 km from the city. The Sompura Mahavihar in Paharpur village of Naugaon district of Bangladesh was also built by Dharmapal. It is currently included in the UNESCO World Heritage List. Dharmapal has been called Param Swagat in the inscriptions. The Gujarati poet Sodal has called him Uttarapath Swami Devpal. He made Munger his capital. He provided 5 villages to the Sailendra dynasty. Ruler Balaputra Dev of Java, Sumatra, Indonesia to build a vihar in Nalanda. Mahipal I, he is credited with the restoration of the Pal dynasty. Rajendra Chol attacked during his time. He sent an envoy to Tibet under the leadership of Buddhist monk Antim Dipankar. Rampal is considered to be the last ruler of this dynasty. It was during his reign that the Kavarth rebellion took place. Karnat dynasty. The founder of this dynasty was Nanya Dev. After him, Gangadev and then his son Narsimha Dev became rulers. During the time of Narsimha Dev, Bakhtiyar Khilji attacked Bihar and destroyed Mahavihars like Nalanda, Vikramshila.